All right, y'all, it's the deal, man. It's JT back with another video, man. Today is a very special one, man. Yesterday, not even yesterday, the day before yesterday, I had my first $1,000 day with CPA marketing, whether using paid traffic or free traffic. Like since I've been doing CPA marketing since like 2018-ish, this is my first $1,000 day, well, past $1,000. So yesterday, as you can see, we ain't gonna talk about today because it's only 6 in the morning, but we had 163 for the morning. But yesterday we made $15.54 and 80 cents. You can see it's real proof. Let me refresh the screen. Same numbers. Now, what was yesterday? So yesterday was the 19th. And on the 18th was my first $1,000 day actually, but I didn't have a chance to upload that YouTube video or yesterday. So run report, boom, I had $1,200. Then the next day, which is the 19th, run report, $2,700. So $1,200, yeah, it's about $1,700. No, that's $2,700 in a 24-hour span. I don't know what today gonna look like, but I'm about to put in some real work today. So I want to see what today ends up like. Let me see. Go back to dashboard. I don't know. Hopefully I keep this $1,000. I'm really trying to get to $2,000 or $3,000 a day. I want to get it as crazy as possible. But yeah, man, this is crazy. Even think like I came all this way having $1,000 days now using all free traffic though. Like most of the time, people got to spend damn near $700 to $1,000 to get results like this. I did probably 10 minutes of work yesterday. On these last couple days, probably 10-15 minutes of work tops. $1,000 days back to back. Shit, we keep this up, hey man, we be at $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day in no time. So let's see. When was the last time I made a YouTube video? That was basically like 2 days ago almost. Oh yeah, how much we had for the month? We had 11,000 for the month, 11,351, 80 cents. Let's check out my new TikTok account. Well, one of them. This video got 329,000 views, 3,800, 600, 700, 9,000, 900. I started this account in May, and I just started really posting on here within the last 7 days. And as you can see, I already got 2,500 followers. If you follow the blueprint, you can do the same thing. I don't know why y'all keep thinking this is like some rocket science stuff. You follow the course to a T, you'll get results similar to this. I ain't saying you're gonna make $1,000 a day, but you could definitely get some shit cracking just following the blueprint. Inside the members areas, 9 videos, got the tools and resources, and a step-by-step guide on exactly how to set all this stuff up. You got your affiliate funnel, account creation, research, scripting, recording, editing, and putting it all together live. If we go check out my Instagram account, got 141,000 followers. Let's see. 18,000 views on this, 32,000, 100,000, 100,000, 60,000, 27,000, 12,000, 21,000, 159,000, 855,000, which is crazy. And then hold on, outside of the reels, this one got 47,000 likes, 48,000 likes now. How many shares? Where's the shares part? Oh, 95,000 shares, bro. That's crazy. Damn near 50,000 likes, 90,000 shares. And when you get a part of members area, we got a private Facebook group called the 7-Figure Affiliates. It's where you can post all your questions, post your results, things like that. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. I mean, shit, what else is there to talk about, man? First $1,000 day, back-to-back $1,000 days with CPA marketing. So we just getting started, man. I want to try to get this to $10,000 a day once because I'm in the process of hiring a team right now to help me 10x everything I'm doing right now by myself. So be on the lookout. $10,000 days coming real soon. And you refresh the screen before I X out this video. Oh, we went from 163 to 169 that fast. So I can imagine by like noon or whatever, it start to really, really pick up in about the next 6-7 hours. So we got a whole full day ahead of us. Yeah, links will be in the description and the comment section down below to become a part of the 7-Figure Affiliates. And I will see y'all in the next video.